Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can receive money on Moneygram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. How do I receive money from Moneygram? Money was sent for cash pickup. Find a location, find a Moneygram agent location near you, complete the form if applicable. If required, complete a simple receive form, entering the reference number given to you by the sender, and then just receive your funds. And how do you create a Moneygram account? Just visit Moneygram's website, click or tap on sign up button, enter your email address, a secure password you want to use in your phone number. Just indicate whether or not you want to receive text or emails about Moneygram discounts and offers, and then just click or tap on next, and that's it. And this is basically how you can receive money on Moneygram. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.